All the wood being chopped and sawed today here in Memphis comes originally from Ohio, where it is marked and cut and then shipped to New Hampshire, and that's where they actually prepare these blocks we're working on today.
Okay, well, we're here today. We got the wood back in New Hampshire, shipped out here from Ohio, and comes in long lengths. If they do have to buck anything, they mark the ends. As you can see, both of these pieces have an R on the end, so that means it came out of the same tree, so we can keep that wood together and keep it matched up. When we start out, we always try to make our finals wood first because we want that matched. We need 10 matched blocks plus a spare, all out of the same tree.
So after Matt bucks these logs out, we take them here and we sort of pre-process them before we take them over to the lathe. And we mark the center here on this end, and we'll flip it over and do the same on the other end. Drill a hole in it for the chuck on the lathe, and then we can start shaving. It's just so we can center the block on the lathe and we can get a perfect cylinder, and it will be the right diameter.
So this is sort of a homemade design. We've turned about 4,000 blocks on this, and it does a good job. You know, we allow knots on the end of these blocks. It's the central part where the guys have to do the cutting. Between these knots, we've got 18 inches out of a 26-inch block. They have to open up the diameter of the block plus an additional 4 inches. So that's going to give them plenty of room to move their cut up and down on the block and still not to get in here. Our goal is to eliminate as much variation as possible and still be working with a traditional, natural material that we've been using for 150 years in this sport. It takes a little time, but it makes a nice finished product.